Yeah, welcome. Another episode, of Ziggie Seh. And this is the 12th episode, alright? So I just want to say big up to each and everyone for tuning in each and every week. See? Alright, this week, we're going to read about Screechy Dan. See? Yeah. Him and Shaggy and Red Fox, Raven and the whole thing. See? So just keep it locked. Right here, so. Ziggie Seh. Yeah man, Screechy Dan. And that's what I talk about. And that I say. Screechy. Zane, you don't know the Screechy government name is Robert Stevens. See? Screechy born August the 7th, 1963. Out of a place called Jungle. Yeah man, concrete jungle from out of the garrison. Alright, massive. I don't know the Screechy Dan father. Them also call him Screechy too. So I kind of that's a Screechy get the name from. See? So you don't know. So Screechy Dan Jamaica as a youth. I sing in them community and them things there. Musical vibes. His father love music and them things there. So him kind of get it from his father from out of the garrison. Alright? You don't know, so Screechy goes to now, boom! From early Screechy touch New York, you know, like in the 70s, you know, like 77 around them time there. Screechy Dan got up and touch in New York in a foreign. In a Crown Heights, right in a Brooklyn, him drop in a Crown Heights. Right, it's like from one garrison to the next garrison. Because them time there in the 70s and 80s, trust me, Crown Heights, Bushwick, Bedside and place, they're hot. See? So you don't know the thing go. But on music, I them on the mission from Jamaica. So him touch it to same way with the musical vibes there. See? So when him touch New York now and there Brooklyn, him out the music and thing as a youth. Him look the thing. Him link up with Trevor Sparks. You remember the late Trevor Sparks? Yeah man. Big artist too. See? Link up with Trevor Sparks and them thing there. And start to do them thing. In them time then at the early. Alright? Him and Trevor Sparks start to do road and take on the streets and thing and go and perform. In events and thing, you know, built more ballroom and all them thing there. Them man they used to perform in them thing there too. Enough performance in the street. See? Him form a little crew, him vital crew, them time with him and Sparks. And about 2 other artists still, but him and Trevor Sparks as the main artist still. See, him form him little crew and them thing there. Name him crew, vital crew, and them a do road and them thing there. See? To the man them go to now, boom! Link up with a bridge named Paula Rassi. See, you don't know, say Paula Rassi, them time them one day. Run a Paula Rassi house was run a East 17th Street. It's like them man there, this was the vibes when the man go all the vibes and thing. Yeah? From the sound round there and thing. Go all the vibes. That's what artists thing go. See, and this are like as a home for them away from home. Them go all the musical joy and musical vibes. At the time there, Paula Rassi have a brother too, you know, with a sound named Jabalta sound. So you know, so the sound system there, the man them do enough performance, enough in-house performance and rehearsal and thing. Screechy and Trevor Sparks them time they still, mainly. See? Him go so now, boom! From this now, link up with a bridge named Payday. See? And I say Payday now was a producer still, you know. See? But Payday more kind of stick to the hip-hop type of thing. Cause them time that hip-hop, you know, make money on them thing, the hip-hop. But him know about the art thing still. So, him like Screechy vibes and them thing there. Get to hear Screechy and like Screechy vibes. And him bring in Screechy and go so boom! And get Screechy a deal with Polygram record. Them time there. See? So a little thing start to go on for Screechy right now. I'm dropping a Polygram record and at that time there, Polygram record. I mean, it's like a major them time there. I don't know about Polygram. See? So Screechy and them have get a deal now where Screechy have talking a deal where he can make decision also on them things there. So the man goes up and put out a single. Screechy never told to like the production part of the single. Screechy think it didn't want more fixing up and nicing up and thing. But the man goes boom and Senegal road still. See? Screechy never told to agree with that and never told like that. So you find out from the jump start that deal kind of start off on the wrong foot as them would say. See? Anyway, Screechy around about I think that deal was like 8 years deal, you know. So it's a long time that for lock into a label, you know. See, so Screechy, I fight them now for come out of the deal and bag a thing. Then we do one album still with Screechy named The Mission. And not never going for the album really. And Screechy never make no money really still. Screechy himself said he never really make no money off of that. See, it's just like, it was one of them things there. See, but him say him learn a lot still. Because him in their own people and him learn a lot about the business and them thing there. The money no make it, but him learn a lot. So him take it as a learning lesson. See, but him still in that passa there with the label him for certain amount of years, while him should have push him career forward and not going forward. You understand? And them time now, alright now, Screechy in the street same, because Screechy a street artist, you know. So by him in the street and a DJ, you know, him get link up with Shaggy them now, because Shaggy them was another set of artists them where in a Brooklyn now where I do them thing and I go and take on the road and I take on the road now. Seeing Shaggy, Raven, seeing Red Fox, seeing Badger Jed, seeing naturally them artists there. Seeing, yeah man, Nike Fungus, seeing Mr. Easy. The whole of them set of youth there was some Brooklyn artists where I go and create them buzz around the Brooklyn scene and I do them thing, you know. So when so now Screechy don't link up with them man, they know one thing. The vibes even get even nicer now, because you know say, yeah, and more artists now to the thing. See? So at the time now, them go so now boom and I take on the road, same way in Brooklyn and Queens and wherever. And them just take on the road and I take on the street as a more team. Yeah man, so them man do road and them thing there. And I want to tell you say, Screechy himself make up give that crew to know a new name. Rough Entry Crew, because Screechy I say the thing rough them time there, you know, for rough to get into the business, so for enter into the business, so him come up with the name. It's a Rough Entry Crew, because Screechy was the older out of all of the man them, you know, in age, you know. And I guess more experienced and thing too, you know, because Screechy I do him thing from long time. See, so Rough Entry Crew now, the man them goes so boom. And I do them thing. See? Alright now, boom. One year now in the city now, Red Fox I do him thing too, because Red Fox was kind of next to Screechy. Not even Shaggy yet, you know. So it's like a Screechy, Red Fox. See, then Shaggy. In the ranks and them things the other man do. Red Fox was the hype man. See? So the man, Red Fox was the man who run up on stage and bust all the place and set it, and then Screechy up, and them time the Screechy and more bust a boom boom and a sing and them thing. The Screechy a sing a DJ to see me, you know, but Red Fox was the man who set it. So one night in the city now, Red Fox goes a boop and call and Shaggy on stage, you know. See? And Shaggy run on stage and goes so boom and bust it up with him heavy voice, because Red Fox and Shaggy kind of have a similar type of voice. If you listen to them, the rough voice, you know. Yeah. See, and Shaggy goes so boom and run up on the stage and bust it. See, and caught the eyes of Robert Livingston them time there. See, and Robert Livingston like when him hear and them thing. The scene and goes so boom. See, and goes so bam and make Shaggy get a deal with Virgin Record. And I think that's what Shaggy first major deal. So Shaggy was in the army too. Remember, so Shaggy was in the army too, you know. Them time when them do them thing, Shaggy used to come down, record all the song and go to boop and gone back in the army. And so Shaggy usually do it, you know. And things. Seeing until them time that happen now where him get signed to Virgin now, where Shaggy goes to boop and know say you want music full time and now, you know. Seeing cause Virgin that, you know, the thing I got bigger now. So Shaggy career start take off from right there, so. Seeing, you don't know, say, Carl Livingston, a big yard record that. Seeing, you know, say a top record label that and them thing, the Virgin and the whole thing. So Shaggy things start to take off there, so. Seeing, I remember, say, Screechy thing kind of get bind up a little bit. Screechy still have voice for other artists, label and things, same way, you know, even though with that album, that deal with Polygram kind of mess up still. Screechy still have one voice. But and with like a major producer, where for kind of push him out there. So I'm thinking kind of, you know, the struggling same way. While Shaggy things start to take off now, because Shaggy a Virgin with him now. I push him thing. Mr. Bombastic, you know what I mean? Oh, Carolina. Them tune there. You see? Oh, Carolina, girl, Paul laugh. And the thing a shot now. See? So, boom. Shaggy thing a go on good. Red Fox thing a go on to CMA. Because Red Fox are doing things CMA. See, Raven and the man them, boom, start to do them things CMA and a voice up. And the thing a go on. And tune a voice in around in the camp with the man them. And it a go on good. See? So, you don't know. So, while the man do road now, you find out that Screechy get a link up now with Sting International. Sting International go on with them time there, you know. Seeing Ron Phillips Smart and the whole thing. You know what I mean? Even right now, them man that top producer in the business. Them man and Shaggy did do a whole heap of work together. All of them fall out. See, him say a whole heap of thing about Shaggy where whenever he very good, him kind of lick out wicked pan Shaggy. But it's a different story. That's a different thing that's seen. But it never work out after a while. But them put in a whole heap of big tune, make millions of dollars together. See, so big up to Sting International CMA. See, so him goes to now boom, and goes to boop on a link with Screechy now. See? And Philip Smart. And at this, them get the big tune, you know. We pose off in your pum pum shots. Make the girls in pum pum shots. You see what I say? Boom and Screechy that shot. They don't know say that shot, that tune that was even right now that tune there Screechy biggest thing in my Red Fox. See? And him even have another tune where the Screechy said, boy, that tune there was a tune where I performed from long time on stage, you know, before me voice it with Sting. Him voice a tune in a Sting room, you know, bedroom, you know, and not even in a studio him voice a tune there. A tune them I say, ole, 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 ole. He said, you don't have to listen to yourself. Because maybe I not even sing it right, but at the melody that, ole, 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 ole. There's some type of vibes there. So, go check it out on yourself. And them thing they will Screechy Dan, ole ole or something must say. But when him try it each time, a forward, big forward, because even me watch some video with it and big forward when him try it, him kind of change the pattern of one old song scene and it go on good theme until them record it years after and it go on good theme. So it and Pose Off, I was them two big song them time there. See? In the 93 them time there. Philip Smart, big producer, and them thing the same way. So Screechy career kinda go on to same way still. Even though remember say him still have a little passa there with polygram, you know. Him can't do much, you know. See, only a producer can't even to voice him because if them voice him and the tune take off, you know, so polygram gonna step in. And see, because him signed with them still. See, him give them a one album same way as what I said earlier, The Mission, and thing never go on too good and everything. Alright now. So Screechy career kinda depend like a damp right there so now. Even though him have the big Pose Off, him a go and eat a little food with Pose Off now, because him and Red Fox I do some show and him a go and eat a food. Him go to go and touch all Bermuda. Regular him say him go Bermuda a whole heap of time, go perform and all them thing there. So at them thing that go on with Screechy now. See? They don't know say Pose Off, it a go and get some whole heap of thing. Whole heap of recognition it get for him still, you know, because him get a big write up scene in a Vibes magazine and all them things there. BET used to play the video regular rotation. You know what I mean? Ralph McDaniel with music video box and all them things there. That them time they know it's a big network them time there. So him do him thing, he was even nominated for Artist of the Year on the Tamika Awards and the most outstanding artist of the year. Same way. So him a go on with him thing and I push him thing still. Because the artists were very talented. You can't take that from Screechy. Screechy is a man who have talent. Him versatile when you listen to Screechy. He's a good writer. See? So the link is now with Raven and Red Fox and the whole team and the whole man. And the man them arise, everybody arise, see me and them thing still. And them thing. Screechy take a while now. After a while now, when him kinda him get out of the contract there now, where it kinda finally and it done. Him drop it come on for him now. So I'm trying to start now, try to pick up him career back again now. And start to let out some tune now. Yeah man. Bobby does even produce tune with Screechy. See? Yeah. And them thing there. So Screechy do a whole heap of work still, man. Even Foxy Brown sample Screechy song, you know. See? Pose Off in one of our song, you know. Rapper like Bambino, them on the sample thing out of it and big him up in the song same way. So it's not like he's not a recognized artist in New York. Screechy have him name there. See? But him just go through something in a early career in New York still. See? But he's a persistent artist still and him pushing him thing and do him work same way. See? Alright now, Screechy goes around, boom! And start, was I'm free up after the contract there right now. We finally free him up. Him feel a teaser now. Him start to do some work now, continue some work and I do some whole heap of big tune and them thing there. For different producers and all them thing there. Screechy put in a whole heap of work, man. Get featured on all soca album. You see me I say with Bungie Garlin and whole heap of soca artists and them thing there. So him do a whole heap of work. You can't take that from Screechy. Him put in a whole heap of work. See? Alright now, him do a whole heap of vice up some tune and thing and big tune. You see me tune like The Rapture. Mama want help. Him say, Mama want help. And you still not find her. Look how you make pop don't find her. Mama want help. You see me I say? Yeah man. I saw the man a go on and thing and whole heap of tune him and a push out the man. Music is a mission and enough big tune him have out there right now where him a do him thing still. And them way there. So you find out say, I don't know if we can't say too late still because he might make a comeback in my opinion and them thing there still. See? But really overall still, for the work when put in and for where it come from, seeing and them team we usually link with, when you check it out now, you find out say Shaggy and Raven and Red Fox, it's a easy I don't know what going with Badger Jade and the rest of man them. I don't really hear nothing from them right now on them thing there. See, I don't really hear nothing from them artists. But Mr. Easy, Raven, Red Fox and Shaggy, them 4 artists from out of them crew from long time there. I go on good, same way. See? Screechy that hold up him thing and I go on still. And I go on to it. But in my opinion, I think that Shaggy mainly. See? Because I see all no video with Screechy and Shaggy as a young youth on stage. See? I bust up the place and all them thing there. See? Where the Shaggy a DJ, and not even Shaggy sang Shaggy DJ. A Red Fox sang the hit song. We pose off. I eat Shaggy car, Red Fox never did it. See? I eat Shaggy jar. See? So pose off, you know, your pum pum shots car, them have the same voice. So Shaggy sing Red Fox song on stage. You see me and say them time there. Because Shaggy does upcoming on them time there still and them way to, you know. As I say, Screechy Dan was the more man where I set the pace. Alright? So I think right now in this time that Shaggy turned out to be the most successful artist. I think Shaggy needs to give back Screechy a strength. Seeing? For the history where the man them come from youth days and the work them put in. Seeing? I think Shaggy, if you can go so now and give back, Screechy that definitely take a strength right now. Screechy I do him thing, you know, but him need that strength. Him not, to me in my opinion, him not really make no money right now out of music like that. Because I don't see him a tour hard and you know what I mean, when they on the big shows them, they show them while I keep, I mean, see them I keep put Screechy upon it. See? The whole of this big show them where they there, the Irish jam them and they show them where all of them show they usually go on. Seeing grooving and the whole of them show they go on. I see Screechy upon them, you know. And Screechy a big artist in New York here, you know. And I want to know about Screechy. So I don't see like him eating a whole heap of food in the business. So Shaggy need for go to know, boom, I just know. Say, yo, Screechy that, you know. Seeing and Screechy set the pace and them thing there, you know. Seeing? And go so boom, and come give Screechy a strength. Give him 2 collab on him because Screechy is talented. So when I say, he might give an artist with no talent, when I have a name already. He just give Screechy all them 2 big collab and 2 big video and bring him on 2 other shows them to with him too and make him know say, yo, Screechy. And Screechy come run up and bust the place and kind of start give him that more exposure there to your fans, Shaggy, where you have up on them thing there. See? You can't do that for Screechy. That's my opinion that still. You see me I say, Shaggy? Yeah man, do that for Screechy man. Right now, as some white bridge, I see I work with Screechy right now, named Subatomic Sound. I see them have like a little tour in the month of May, like to the end of the night, where I'm going in some cities in the US and them thing there. Seeing? At them, I see I try a thing with him. Seeing? Because them know say the artist is a great artist. Seeing? Even Sting International himself say, you see that song they pose off, or that song they responsible for reggae and kind of dancehall for kind of break into the reggae, and break into the Spanish reggae vibes, you know, that song they break it in, you know. See, it's a big thing that, seeing? A big thing that song there is a big song, seeing, for Red Fox and Screechy. So, right now, the man them for us know say, yo, all about the unity, at Brooklyn we say, I know say the man of Brooklyn artists, because the man them still live in New York and there, see, most of the man them still live in New York. See, most of them man never matter about what I reason about right now. Them still there. Them still do work. Them still do music. As great artists, all of them. But as I say, Shaggy gives Screechy Dan a strength. And that's just my opinion still. Because Screechy are doing own thing still. But you still need a strength more time. More time you still need a strength to kind of uplift the thing. Because Screechy career should have greater than what there right now. Seeing? Screechy career, regardless of when go through with the whole label thing. Screechy career should have greater than it right now because he's a great artist. And when he touch stage, he deliver all the time. If you see Screechy on a show right now, you know say he's going to deliver. He's an artist who can deliver. He's versatile, he's full of style on stage. He can sing, he can DJ. And if you come to this, so he rap too. Because I tell you, say, him do a whole heap of collab with whole heap of hip-hop artists same way too, in an upcoming same. I love that kind of vibe. Because him there from him in the youngish days. He go high school here and all them things. So he know for flow on the hip-hop rhythm them too. And I feel him think that still, but him do it at times still. Because artists request for collab with him and him do it. Seeing? Yeah. So at that way I say, man, Screechy is a great artist in New York and I respect and love Screechy Dan. Seeing? But you see the New York artists them over around now. You see the New York business, in my opinion, them not support them artists. The really them not support them artists. You see, in the shows them not support the artists them where they in a New York right so. Because only for great artists there in a New York right so. But we not support them. See? When I rather send for some artists from Jamaica and pay them big money more than deal with the artists them right so where bad and want to know them where it'll cost you all less money. Because we don't have to fly them out, we don't have to put them up in a hotel and none of them things. When it costs you less same way. See? But when I rather use them man there and pay big money same way and ignore the artists them with them. In a New York right in front of the face. New York promoters me I talk about right now. See? When you know on yourself all that who keep show. Start work with the man. All Mr. Easy and all them artists are big singer, but when you not book him, you know. See, so at the same thing with Screechy Dan now. Start book the artist, because the artists have the catalogue of music. Them can hold on a show. New York know him. New York love him. So them him not gonna let you down. Them not gonna disappointed if you not have him on no show. Them are gonna glad for see Screechy. Because Screechy is a great artist and them can deliver. See? So that me I telling you right now. See, so Screechy Dan, big up yourself, my artist. Just go and put in the work, see me, and go and do your thing. See? Because I saw the thing set. I remember them say, you know, what them say, a king no get honor in him own town, you know. Or a person no get honor in him own town. People from far away, just like how them the white banner right now, and them say I do some work with you. Because them say, yeah, Screechy is a great artist. The man them who they around here right now, them not see your work. Them go like them see it, but them go like them not see your work. Them go like them want to ignore it, the work where you put in. Screechy is one of the man them who help push the dancehall genre in a New York, right? So in the New York tri-state. Screechy is one of the artists there, for sure, who help push the thing. So you can't take that from Screechy Dan. See? So Screechy, just pick up yourself, my brother, and go and hold it. See? Alright, I don't know, I saw the thing going on, I saw the thing setting up for this week, and Screechy reads about this week. And that's my opinion that I'm going to do some research and we'll find out so that I go on with Screechy and things. See? So Screechy, big up yourself again. Each and every day, we say, respect goes out. See? Alright, until next week, same time again. So just keep it locked and tell a friend. If you tell another friend, when you don't know, you know, and that Ziggie Seh, you know. See? Big up on yourself. Mad. Screechy Dan to the world. Boom. Out.